How's everybody doing? And thanks for tuning in to Wicked Warnings, your number one solution for emergency lighting for cars, vans, buses, bicycles, tricycles, and your 2024 and newer F-150s. Yeah, some things changed from 2023. They got a new front end. They got a couple other new things. Do you need a simple light bar turnkey package like this for your F-150? Would you like a 16-inch light bar or a 23-inch light bar or even a custom ordered 5-color light bar? We've got you covered. This package right here is just an amber package, including a 23-inch light bar. I'm going to go through it real quick on all of the contents. And of course, if you want to modify it in any way, you can. But this is a turnkey package to put this warning on a 24 or newer F-150 exactly as you see here. We'll start from the front to the back. At the front passenger side, underneath the hood, you're going to find your battery. There, we're going to put our fuse kit, and we're going to extend that power and ground from the battery with a 16-2. We're going to go right through the firewall. I like to use a wire insertion tool, but you can use whatever you like to get through that firewall. And once we're inside the cabin of the truck, we're going to connect that 16-2 to the back of our 3/4 switch. And then from our 3/4 switch forward, we're going to run an 18.5 to this light bar. Why an 18.5? Well, it gives you a pattern wire. You really only need 3 wires on this light bar, power grounded pattern, but our 18.5 we stock in bulk, so that is what we are going to supply. You're going to get a 30-foot piece of 18.5, which is way more than enough to go from that light bar underneath the factory headliner. We take it right down the cab of the truck here, and I have a couple of other videos that show exactly how to get the wiring through there with a fish tape, exactly how to mount that light bar to that mount. We have a lot of data on this combo on other trucks. We bring that 18.5 along forward through the kick panel and right up to our switch. This is where we mounted our switch. However, if you have a higher trim line truck and there's something occupying this area, you can certainly mount it anywhere in here. Just pop this out with a straight screwdriver carefully, and you can see what I mean. We as well take this panel off here, and as I said, we run our wiring all through here. Do use a little bit of caution right in the corner here. Caught me slacking. I almost forgot to put that piece of trim back on there right there. Got to push that in there a little bit. Finish this. There we go. We pulled this trim out just a little bit to get access to the wiring to the fish tape in here. And you can see that is the only area where there is an airbag here. So don't be wrapping your wiring around the airbag. Take it up and over the airbag and down like that. That's another reason why we don't go forward here. It's because there's airbags up there. So we stay out of there and we come straight down the back of the cab and go forward like that. So that's the recommended procedure. Now this mount goes on very easily. It's manufactured by Acari. We just put a sticker on it for this customer. What you can see here is you take off the third brake light, and you install this drill free mount. It sandwiches between the roof with a clamshell device. It's a 7/16 socket that you're gonna need. The lid pops off. And as I said, we have very good documentation on this mount on other videos I'll link, but it's that simple. That's a 23-inch bar, fits good. 16-inch bar, a little less expensive, also fits good. So if this is gonna work for you, that's wonderful. Now, one thing you might wanna add, if you like, is we offer a plug and play flasher for these reverse lights. If you'd like to add that to this package, that would set the rear of the truck off a little bit. You could also add some grill lighting if you'd like as well. However, not necessary if all you need is a light bar like this. So this is the package. It's going to be turnkey for the light bar. It's going to fit basically all the F-150s here, but we'll focus on 24 and 25 and newer F-150s. But this light bar mount fits the Super Duties and the F-150s. Fits a Super Duty all the way back to 2017. Fits an F-150 all the way back to 2015. So very versatile mount. Ford has not changed the rear cab since 2015 on the F-150, and it is the same cab as the Super Duty all the way to 2024 and 2025 from what I have seen. So just fast fact FYI, this kit also works on 17 to 25 Super Duties as well as 15 and up F-150s. Any questions on the kit, please let me know. Please post them or comment and get a hold of us before ordering. But we will put this together in as turnkey possible as kit as we can for y'all. So if you have a need like Ecolab does for a simple light bar on a vehicle, it might be security or construction related, give us a call and check the website out. We'll put links to everything in here. And again, any questions or comments, I urge you to leave them. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you guys on the next one.